Now, this may seem like a stupid question, but I need to ask this because uh, a, lo- because a lot of times, I may think it's stupid. I may think that everybody wants to fix their chronic health concerns, right? But the reality is not everybody wants to fix it. And that's not for me to judge. My responsibility is to let you know the options, what are the choices that you have, and based on your decision, based on your goals, what is your goal? Then you will have different choices of treatments. Okay. My job is not to decide what your goal should be. What, in regards to what do you want to happen with your diabetes? What do you want to happen with your blood pressure? What do you want to happen with your acid reflux? What do you want to happen with your rheumatoid arthritis, your neuropathy, right? Do you want relief? That's number one, right? Do you want just relief? Like I have neuropathy, nerve damage in my feet, and it's painful, it's tingling pins and needles, and it's numb. Do I just want relief from the pain so I can sleep? Is that my goal? That's what I mean by identifying your goal. So relief is just, I want relief of my symptoms. I don't care how long it lasts. I just want relief. Okay. I don't care that it won't last a day. I just want relief. Okay. So that's relief care.